Hey, what's up? This is Ron Palmer. Welcome to my Quantum AI review. This is a new product by James Renouf, and it's a really great product in my opinion. From time to time, I like to review these kind of products because I think they're going to give you real value. And to be honest, this product could be sold at much, much more. What James usually releases is of high quality stuff, and this is not the exception. Essentially, this product is an entire product on how to generate money using GPTs, which is a part of ChatGPT. It's not only about the make money online niche. You can actually use this to make money online in essentially virtually any niche. If you're into the affiliate marketing space, it's definitely something that you can use right now. You're not only going to get the training on how to do this, how to create these GPTs, but you're also going to get a done for you GPT or software, in other words, that they have created for you. And it contains the access to literally all of these really, really great books. Like, let me show you that here. I'm inside the members area right now, but let me show you that. If we scroll down, they have added all of these, books and information from all of these different, internet marketers, businessmen, and so on. So you can access that information like if it was, them talking, right? Kind of a clone of these people inside ChatGPT. So that comes ready. They've spent tons of hours to create this, right? And you're going to get this as a part of this, but this is just a part of this. And they compare this to the new iPhone crypto Kindle moment. And if you get in right now, you are at the beginning of something that I think is going to revolutionize the world. Now, I don't personally think we should take this lightly because I think this has tons of applications. There's tons of ways of actually using this. And I definitely recommend you have a look at this. And that's the reason why I'm talking about this, right? Now, that being said, before we go into the actual sales page, you can have a little bit more of a closer look at that. Let's talk about the bonuses that I have for you, which you probably want to get before the timer hits 0. So essentially, this is what, Quantum AI is all about. You can see the upgrades and so on the page, but I'm going to be talking about that in just a moment. But you're going to get a set of very special exclusive bonuses from me. And one of those is a deal that I've made with James and Max to get you this very special bonus, which is a completely high converting done for you system, which is called Done for You Social. This is one of their best selling products, and you can get this at no extra cost if you decide to pick this product through me. And essentially it looks like this. This is a done for you social kind of product. So essentially they show you how to use social accounts to generate insane traffic. And I know this for a fact because this is one of the things that I do in my business. And you're gonna get this done for you social media biz. And this is great stuff here, really, really great stuff. And this is what you're gonna get if you decide to pick this up through my link. So this is exclusive to me. You're not gonna get this from anyone else, okay? That being said, that's the first bonus. The bonus number 2 is how to use AI to generate millions of visitors to any offer. And this is crazy. This is something that I personally have used to generate millions of visitors and views. And this is definitely something that you're only gonna get here. The bonus number 3 is really, really cool because it's very kind of tied to this product. It's about how to clone yourself using AI. And if you're shy, you really don't want to create tons of content, this is definitely something that you can use. The bonus number 4 is how to make 10K months with AI. This is based on my research and my own results. So you're getting great stuff here. Not based on theory. This is not, no fluff. This is actionable steps that you can take. And of course, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. But keep in mind that you want to grab this before the timer hits 0. And to grab this, you just have to click on any of these buttons, these blue buttons here. And then the bonuses are going to be delivered to you automatically through Warrior Plus. If you need anything, you can reach out to me here and let me know if you need access to the bonuses or you have any questions. So that being said, let's talk about the sales page. So The sales page says quantum AI 100x more in 100x more insane than, or 100 times more insane than the first day of crypto and the launch of the app store combined. And I've went through this product and I definitely agree with this. It's great stuff. And there's one thing I forgot to show you. And before we go a little bit more into the sales page, let's talk about the actual training here, right? So the first section is going to be this introduction that I talked about earlier. And then we have, this is a brand new revolutionary category. And I think it's actually true because I haven't seen something like this before. I've heard about it, but I really like what they have, created here. It's really, really, this is brand new. Okay. I really like this. Breaking down this new era of AI. So they're going to be showing you exactly what this is about. It's actually very, very simple. And those are things that you can potentially set up in minutes. Now, if you want to spend more time setting up these kind of GPTs or softwares, you can do that as well. But they're going to be showing you in those videos, in the training, exactly how they're doing this. And the power of building your own AI, how to make your very own AI. You can potentially take this content and you can use this to create content, create lead magnets, create software, maybe to sell services on Fiverr. There's essentially nothing that you can't do with AI. You can use this for yourself. You're kind of building programs, right? And you don't need any, programming skills, which is actually pretty cool. And this is the case of this section where it says how to make your very own AI, how to monetize this new era of AI, because, we have this tool here, but how do you actually monetize this? How do you actually use this to get results? This is exactly about that. And one cool thing is that the GPT store is going to launch soon. I don't know exactly when, but you can actually create these very simple GPTs or softwares, if you want to call it that way, and then you can add those to the GPT store and sell those there as well if you want to. If you want to use this to create free lead magnets, or you want to use this to, for example, give away free services, that's one way, right? So let's say someone is interested in what to do on in Disney World. Okay, you can have a simple page if you want to. You don't even need a page. But basically a software, a GPT that people interact with, and they can ask this bot and get information about what to do on Disney World, places to go to. And then what you can do is you can basically forward them to maybe an affiliate product on ClickBank or anything else, and that way you generate traffic, they interact with you or with the actual GPT or the bot, and then you forward that traffic to whatever you want to sell, right? So that's the reason I like this. I'm going to be diving more into this. The reason I wanted to do this review is because I'm working a lot with AI right now. I'm launching some really cool projects that has to do with YouTube AI ranking stuff, influencer AI networks. And so I'm really interested in this topic, but I did wanted to give the proper credit to James and Max because they've created a really good product here, okay? And that's the main thing. I wanted to recommend something that I know you're gonna get tons of value from. And then we have how to get your AI in front of the right audience, how to generate free traffic. This one is really good. You wanna pay attention to this section. And this one, if you're into affiliate marketing or you wanna go more into this and use AI, this is definitely something that I recommend. Multiple ways to make money with this, understanding the big picture. And here, this is really cool. They've actually built a done for you custom AI so you can get access to all of these masters in business, all of this stuff that I showed you earlier here on their sales page. Great stuff. So you can see here on their sales page the results that they're getting. They're generating insane results. I've talked to both James and to Max, and they've been showing me the results that they have been getting with AI, and literally great stuff. And it's crazy the time that we're living in right now, that you can do so much stuff. You can literally duplicate clone yourself using AI and do things that you've never been able to do before. You can see the results here, tons of great results. And basically, if we go through the sales page, you can see what they've created here. Really, really great stuff. Really, really, useful stuff in my opinion. So you can see all about that. You can check that in your own time, and you can see the sources that they've used. Basically, thousands plus of business mindset and motivation books downloaded to your brain essentially through this app that they have built. They spent hours, tons of hours creating this. I find this very, very useful. Okay, so you can check that below in the description. You can go to this bonus page here, and talking about this product, right? So what you can make with this is insane. The results that you can get is, in my opinion, insane. So if we have a closer look at the price and the upsells here, it's quite a bit of upsells, but usually what I've experienced with James is that each upgrade is kind of an independent thing, but each upgrade is gonna build upon the front end offer, and really, really great stuff. I personally learned tons of things from James during the years, and things that I've applied to my business that have, skyrocketed my business and actually helped me generate thousands of dollars online. I have my own offers as well, but from time to time, as I mentioned, I like to, let you know about these really useful products, especially if you're starting out. You want to check this out. On the other hand, I'm, building some other stuff. I'm going to be letting you know about what I'm up to as well. But going back to the prices and upsells, you have the upgrade number 1 here. Okay. And for each one of those, there's going to be, downsells. So you might want to consider getting the downsells for those. But essentially, we have the Quantum AI upgrade, which is the James and Max Mastermind. We have an order bump. After that, there's upgrade number 2. Then we have the upgrade number 3, which is another order bump with useful stuff. You're going to be able to see what is, what those things are exactly about once you land there. And of course, those are completely optional, and you can see the prices here. So you're going to be able to see that on my page as well, or you can pause the video here if you want to have a closer look at that. But the upgrade number 1 is going to be $97 essentially. There's a recurring option if you want to. You can check that. The upgrade 2 is $9.95. There's the upgrade number 1 downsell, $67. The upgrade number 2 upgrade $97. And then they have the order bump number 3. You can see the prices here, different price points. And there's order bumps to all of these different upgrades, and you'll have to check those out. But I mean, for the upgrade number 4, they have the Done For You Super Funnel Academy, the Done For You Super Funnel Academy Commission Bump, the Done For You Funnel Academy, AIpreneurs Academy. You can see those different price points. Those are a little bit more mid-ticket, but definitely worth it. With James' help, they are going to be delivering some great stuff for these different price points here. The upgrade number 6, 7, 8, 9, and then they have some different, masterminds and stuff here. And the 10th, the 6-figure social path. So you'll have to check. You definitely don't have to get all of these, but check what you like, get what you think is going to be the most useful for you. In my opinion, I usually think that the Done For You upgrades are the ones that I would go for. They cost a little bit more, but they're going to save you tons of time. They're masterminds also. Things that I personally would go for, basically. Okay, so that's what I can say. And just check the link below in the description. You're gonna find all of these exclusive bonuses exclusive to me. You're not gonna find them anywhere else. And you can basically click on all of these different buttons, or just one of those, to get access to this offer. And keep in mind that once this timer hits 0, those bonuses are going to be gone. So once again, thank you for watching my Quantum AI review, and I talk to you soon.